Hello, word nerds, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into a word that's super common and incredibly useful: comment. Comment, as a B1 level verb, means to express an opinion or reaction. It's how we share our thoughts on things, whether it's a news article, a friend's social media post, or even a cup of coffee. Think of it as adding your 2 cents to a conversation, but in word form. You might comment on a funny video or comment on the weather. It's all about sharing your perspective. Now, let's explore some synonyms for comment. One excellent synonym is remark. For example, instead of saying she commented on his new haircut, you could say she remarked on his new haircut. See how similar they are? Another useful synonym is observe. You could say he observed that the sky was turning orange at sunset, which is very similar to saying he commented that the sky was turning orange at sunset. Mention is another great synonym. Imagine someone saying she mentioned that she was going to the store later. This is much the same as saying she commented that she was going to the store later. Another synonym is state, which indicates a more direct and official tone. For instance, the spokesperson stated that the company was doing well is like the spokesperson commented that the company was doing well, but slightly more formal. Now, let's think about some antonyms, words with opposite meanings. A good antonym for comment is ignore. If you comment, you're engaging. If you ignore, you're disengaging. For example, she chose to ignore the rude comment, highlighting the contrast. Another antonym could be neglect. If you neglect to comment, you're essentially overlooking something. He neglected to comment on the important issue at hand. We also have overlook. Someone may overlook a situation or a mistake. If you overlook someone's mistake, you do not comment on it to bring it to their attention. You just let it pass. Another antonym could be conceal. You could conceal your thoughts about something rather than comment about them. This suggests keeping something hidden instead of expressing it. She chose to conceal her true feelings rather than comment on the situation. Yet another antonym could be suppress. If you suppress a comment, you're actively stopping yourself from saying something. He suppressed the urge to comment, implying he wanted to speak but restrained himself. So, how can we use comment in everyday life? Well, it's everywhere. You can comment on a recipe you tried, you can comment on a friend's new job, or you can comment on a news story. You can comment on someone's performance. You can comment on social media posts. The possibilities are endless. Here are some more usage examples. The teacher commented on my essay, saying it was well-researched. He commented that the weather was unusually warm for October. She commented on the beautiful painting at the art gallery. Please comment below if you have any questions. I wanted to comment on her proposal, but I had no further information. He commented under the video with a funny joke. The news anchor commented that the storm would arrive by 3 p.m. The scientist commented that the data was statistically significant. She commented how delicious the cake was. Don't comment if you have nothing nice to say. I often comment on things I see while scrolling through social media. He decided to comment only on the positive aspects of the performance. To summarize, comment is a B1 level verb that means to express an opinion or reaction. We explored synonyms like remark, observe, mention, and state, and antonyms like ignore, neglect, overlook, conceal, and suppress. Remember, comment is a word we use constantly in daily conversations and written communication. It is all about expressing your opinion. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and keeps us going. Now, I have a little challenge for you. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word comment and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep those words flowing.